Hi guys, my name is Kelsey and I am the nurse injector here at Valley Medical Weight Loss and Med Spa. And so today we are going to be talking a little bit about Sculptra and Morpheus and those two treatments combined together. So Sculptra and Morpheus, they're both effective treatments to help with overall facial rejuvenation. Sculptra is an injectable biostimulator to help stimulate collagen production over time. And so it helps restore lost volume, it can help with wrinkle reduction, and gradually it just provides a longer lasting, more natural looking result. Morpheus8 is microneedling with radiofrequency. And so that treatment can help tighten the skin. It helps improve texture. It can help boost collagen production. And so when you have both of those treatments, you're getting that deep layer with the Sculptra and you're getting the more superficial layers with the Morpheus8. Those two treatments play really nice in the sandbox together and they give you these beautiful natural results. So they overall just help with volume restoration. It can help improve deep wrinkles. It can also help tighten the skin and smooth out the surface of the skin, giving you a beautiful, youthful, refreshed, natural look. All right, Morpheus and Sculptra are such beautiful treatments, and combining the two just offers such a youthful result. And so if that's something that sounds appealing to you or something that you just want to chat about, go ahead and give us a call. The phone number will be listed below, and book a complimentary consultation with me. And I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Thanks.